As the sun rises, the project is complete.
And the Stairbot has finally been put back together.
But the team can't be sure it will work.
It has never been tested in its full configuration, going up the stairs, maneuvering around, and carrying a person down the stairs also never even been tried. There's just so many things that we still don't know. It might not work exactly how we want it to, but it might. And that's the beauty of prototyping. That's the beauty of doing things that have never been done before. We got to try it and see what happens.
They've run out of time. So they relocate to the Modesto County Fire Training Facility once again to demonstrate the PyroPack and Stairbot to its harshest critics.
Hey guys. Hey. We said we'd be back. A couple weeks ago, you guys really put us through the paces as to what it is to be a firefighter.
And you tried to kill me. Just once. That's all it takes.
We went back to our lab and came up with a couple of prototypes that we hope will help you guys do your jobs and save lives.
So you guys ready to see what we've come up with?
Yeah.
All right, let's show them. Yeah. Huh?
Ooh. What do you think? You want to see how they work?
Yeah. Let's get it on.
Do it.
After the firemen inspect the creations, our team runs them upstairs for a closer look. First, the PyroPack.
Okay, guys, Joe's wearing what we like to call the PyroPack. This is based off of using adaptive digital design. This thing is actually built off a model of Joe from a 3D scan.
The pack is based off of the one vital piece of equipment that firefighters need, the air pack.
As far as the pack itself, I see the way it's rounded on the shoulders and stuff. As we're crawling through a lot of spaces, or if we've got air conditioning ducts that have come down, the wires inside those get caught up a lot of times on our backpacks.
But wait, there's more. The PyroPack is packed with custom electronics designed by our very own Joe Grant.
This has been outfitted with an L3 Communications thermal imaging camera and also a heads-up display from Imagine that can slide in front of your eye when you need it.
But wait, there's still more. The PyroPack also has a feature that's guaranteed to make anyone feel like a freaking superhero. Say hello to Joe's little friend.
When Joe blasts the fire with the arm-piece extinguisher, it's hard not to be impressed. But these firefighters want to see the guys face a real challenge, like finding each other in a dark, smoky room.
We're about to do the first ever field test of the PyroPack. I'm a little bit nervous because we've never actually done a full test like this. Who knows what's going to happen?
The exercise begins with the other three prototypers taking position in a sealed room as a small fire is lit and the room fills with smoke. With the thermal imaging camera fired up, Joe opens the door and heads into the murky haze, while the firefighters watch his progress on a monitor outside. Before starting his search, Joe glances at the smoldering fire, and his temperature sensor momentarily jumps to over 300 degrees.
Yeah, I like the temperature on there, too. I think that's pretty cool.
Yeah, because it lets you know what type of heat conditions that you're in.
Yeah.
Next, Joe tries to find his teammates hidden in the smoke. Joe makes his way to a figure in the thick darkness, hoping his firefighter identification system can tell him who it is. Mike North's name flashes up in Joe's display, and the observing firefighters immediately see the advantages.
This is cool. See somebody you don't know who they are.
Which is everybody.
Yeah.
Joe takes Mike along and looks for a second prototyper. And Joe leads the train to look for Zaz.
I'm Zaz, right? That's my name, don't wear it out. We got all three.
With the guys reassembled and Joe's PyroPack powers proven, it's time to lead the team to safety.
But I've never done this fully integrated test with people actually in the room and a fire going and full smoke. So I didn't really know what to expect. I'm really happy with how everything turned out.
The team's proven the success of the PyroPack to the firefighters, but the real test still remains. Can the problematic Stairbot get the job done? First, the guys show the firemen how the bot works.
Guys, last time we were here, carrying all your gear up all those stairs was one of the most physically challenging tasks that we faced.
We call this the Stairbot. It's an electric track-based vehicle designed to go upstairs, and it converts easily to a dolly for maneuverability on the landings.
Now, this puppy's loaded with all your basic firefighting equipment, but best of all, it's convertible. So once you get to the top of the stairs, you unload all the equipment, Simply slide this guy up, and now it's a nice, comfortable lounge chair, or I guess a rescue seat.
Next, they put the machine right into the hands of the experts.
So you guys ready for the first ever test of the StairBot? Ready to take it all the way?
You bet. You bet.
Earlier in the build, Dr. Zaz engineered a high-tech control system to operate the StairBot. So today, with 300 pounds of gear on the bot, can a fireman get it up 4 flights of stairs just by pulling the 2-pound handle? The firemen head into the building and make quick work of what's usually an exhausting job of hauling gear.
It worked. I mean, they were operating this thing going up the stairs, no problem. They made it up the stairs in less time. One firefighter carried the equipment of 3, and he wasn't tired when he got to the top and ready to fight a fire. I mean, the StairBot was a huge success.
The StairBot makes it to the top of the building and of this fire brigade's wish list.
How was it? It was good.
Wasn't bad at all.
It made it up pretty quick.
Yeah, made it up pretty quick, and I'm still ready to go.
But it's got one more duty to perform before it can be declared a complete success. It's got to carry a dummy back down the stairs.
All right, let's unload the gear and put in a victim.
Mike converts the seat. They start the trip back to Earth. And though it's had a rocky few days, the StairBot does just as well on the downslope as it did coming up.
That was great.
The team is relieved, and the firefighters are impressed.
I think it's a very good design. The best thing about the StairBot is not carrying all that extra equipment, on our bodies weighing us down as we get to the top.
Some are even ready to bring it back to the firehouse.
The mood here after the StairBot run seems really good. We laid it on the line, and they've really been very, very positive. This is a successful program.